Mula Vietnam, inaasang balik Pilipinas na si Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte bukas. Kanya-kanyang paglilinaw naman ng ilang miyembro ng gabinete sa naging pahayag niya na ang joint military exercise ng Pilipinas at Amerika sa Oktubre ay huli na. Saksi si Tina Panganiban Perez.
Our conflict with China is not really, it's more of an imaginary thing. Ibig kong sabihin, we cannot go to war just because there is that award.
Hindi raw porke na award sa atin ng West Philippine Sea ng Arbitral Tribunal ay sasabak na tayo sa giyera.
I am not ready to commit the soldiers of this country just to be massacred. Ang battleground, ang Palawan. Naluko na. Kung natin doon sa San Francisco, okay ako. Or in China.
At dahil gusto raw natin maging kaibigan ng lahat na walang iniitsepwera, binanggit niya sa Filipino community sa Vietnam ang plano niya para sa war games na ayon sa kanya ay ayaw ng China.
I would serve notice to you now that this will be the last military exercise. Jointly, Philippines, US, the last one.
Iba-iba ang pahayag ng mga opisyal ng gobyerno na nasa Hanoi.
Pagkakantito, it's the last for the year.
For the year.
We will clarify.
Dati nang sinabi ng Pangulong hindi niya papayagan ang joint patrol ng Pilipinas at Amerika sa South China Sea. Tila ito ang inakala ni Yasay ng aking usisain.
We are not going to undertake any joint patrol ever in our exclusive economic zone.
He also said this will be the last war games.
No.
No, he said specifically in his speech, sir. So we're asking, what did he mean for this?
I have not heard that, so I cannot make any comment on that.
At nang tanungin muli, sinabi niyang tuloy ang mga joint US-Philippine military exercises hanggang 2017.
Maybe when a review of the Mutual Defense Board during the presidency of President Duterte will come about as Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, he will make a decision at that time.
Iba rin ang sabi ni Presidential Spokesman Ernie Abella.
There are no definite dates, no definite timeline, but it's part of the President's intention. I suppose it is an inclusive statement that just sets the general tone and general direction that he wants our foreign policy to take.
Ang joint exercises ay nakabatay sa 1951 Mutual Defense Treaty na nilagdaan at 1998 Visiting Forces Agreement. Sa ngayon, wala pang nakukuhang official communication mula sa Philippine government ukol dito. Pinuri naman ang pahayag ng Communist Party of the Philippines. Sa susunod na buwan, nakatakdang ganapin ang susunod na Philippine-US military exercises sa Zambales, Cagayan at Tarlac. Mula rito sa Vietnam, ako si Tina Panganiban Perez, ang inyong saksi.